Justice for Arjikar.
Justice for Arjikar.
Justice for Abhaya.
Justice for Abhaya.
We want accountability.
We want accountability.
We want to bring the change.
We want to bring the change.
And we have to carry on.
भारत माता की
जय।
Coming to this really somber occasion. We've been here on the 22nd of August when we first came, and this is the second one. And the most important thing is, today we are here, why we are here. Basically, I don't want to go through the whole event that happened, which is a sad and heinous murder of a medical doctor who was a postgraduate student in Arjikar Hospital, in the premises of Arjikar Hospital, while on duty. And this has been condemned and it hasn't been well investigated as yet. And so this is the protest against it and also support for justice for Tilottama or Abhaya, the lady who was killed, who was murdered. And we want everyone, I'm so glad that there are some second generation children as well here who are born and brought up in this country, and they also feel about it, and they've come here to actually protest about this. The only thing I would like to say is this is the uniform thing which is going on, protest across the world. এটা শুধু আমাদের দেশে কলকাতায় বা ইন্ডিয়াতে নয়, সারা পৃথিবীতে বিভিন্ন জায়গায়, and today it's a very symbolic, আজকে more than 130 countries they are actually doing the same protest at the same time, and we are going to put pressure on the government, both West Bengal and the central government, bring justice, and so that women are treated much better and in a sane way rather than what they have been doing all this. And also another thing is we should treat or teach our children, especially the boys, to treat women more well and in a more sane way and give respect to them. So let's celebrate in some respect and also protest in some respect today. So we are doing a human chain, as you can see, and then we'll talk about that.